Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps and browsers. Today, we're diving into something simple yet super customizable: how to change the background on Google Chrome in 2025. If you're tired of that default look and want to make your browser feel more personal, you're in the right place. This quick guide will have you set up in no time, and it's easier than ever with the new updates. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Google Chrome installed. As of 2025, Chrome has rolled out some exciting enhancements, like AI-suggested backgrounds based on your preferences. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser. You'll see the familiar interface. Now, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to all the settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. It should be the first option. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the Appearance section. Here, you'll find options for themes and backgrounds. Click on Themes, or Customize Chrome. Depending on the 2025 update, it might be labeled slightly differently. Now, this is where the fun begins. You can browse through Google's pre-selected themes, which include stunning landscapes, abstract art, or even dynamic options that change with the time of day. If you want something more unique, hit the Upload an Image button. Select a photo from your computer, and Chrome will apply it as your new background. For the 2025 features, try the AI Generate option if it's available. It uses your prompts to create custom designs. Once you've made your choice, click Apply or Save Changes, and voila! Your browser will refresh with the new look. A quick tip: if the background doesn't change right away, make sure you're not in incognito mode, as some customizations don't apply there. Also, remember that changing your background can make your browsing sessions more enjoyable and productive. If you're on a shared computer, you might want to switch it back when you're done. There you have it. Changing your Google Chrome background in 2025 is straightforward and fun. Give it a try and let us know in the comments which theme you picked or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.